Good day. I am from Global Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I received your biodata from BBL agency in the Philippines, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yeah, I am, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
In Malaysia, ma'am?
Yes.
No, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
No, ma'am.
If you
I'm
feel
healthy, ma'am.
unwell or if you think that there is something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, yeah?
Yes,
Do
ma'am.
you have tattoos in your skin?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have tattoos in your skin? Tattoo,
Uh,
tattoo.
no, ma'am.
Our
No.
interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Only this one, ma'am. Just like,
That, okay. So, do you agree?
yes, agree for what, ma'am?
You listen first, okay? Don't interrupt me, huh?
Okay,
Our
ma'am.
interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Agree, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
No, ma'am. I have experience in Saudi Arabia, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
The big salary, ma'am. Not the same in the Saudi Arabia.
So Saudi didn't have an increment of salary.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So do you think you are worth it of the increment salary here in Malaysia?
Yes, I am, ma'am. I'm willing to work hard, ma'am, just to give them uh like safe made, ma'am.
All right. So can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Yes, ma'am.
What's your name?
My name is Jessa Vargas, ma'am.
How old
My
are you?
age is 26 years old. I live in Negros Occidental,
Negros Occidental. In which part of Negros?
Sagay City, ma'am.
Sagay. All right. Are you
Yes,
single or married?
I am single, ma'am.
You have children?
No, ma'am.
No.
Yes.
So when is your birthday?
My birthday, ma'am, is July 6, 1999, ma'am.
What is your height and your weight?
Height, weight, ma'am. My height, ma'am, is 5'2". My weight is 69, ma'am.
What is your religion?
Catholic, ma'am.
What about your educational background?
I'm high school graduate, ma'am.
Is your family allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
How many brother and sister do you have?
I have four sibling moms, one sister, and three brothers.
What is your rank in your family? Are you,
Yes, ma'am.
are you the
You?
eldest, the second, the third?
The third, ma'am. The third, ma'am.
All right. What about your parents?
My parents, ma'am.
Yes.
Uh, my name, parents, ma'am.
How old is your parents and what is their
Um,
occupation?
my mom is 50 years old, and my father is 63 years old, ma'am.
Both senior citizen, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So you mentioned that this is not your first time working abroad. Which country do you have your first working experience as a domestic helper?
Saudi Arabia, ma'am.
How many years you work in Saudi?
Finished contract 2 years, ma'am.
What year did you start that and what year did you finish your contract?
I start working abroad, ma'am, in Saudi Arabia is 2023 September 25, and I go here in Philippines August 14, 13,
August
15,
2025.
2025 po.
Okay. So why the employer sent you back home earlier?
Uh, like my I have the agency want I want to go home because my father has sick, and then they send me in Philippines, ma'am.
So you work for 1 year and 11 months, right?
Ma'am.
You finish your contract or no?
Finish, ma'am.
So
The
your
agency, the
also,
finish,
so
ma'am.
the agency told your employer to send you back early.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
The
what is
agency,
your duties inside the house?
ma'am.
What
Sorry.
what is your duties inside the house?
Work, ma'am.
You do the house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing.
Yes, I clean the house, ma'am, and I take care of the two children and elder woman,
How old is the
and also
children that you take care?
5 years old and 3 years old, ma'am.
How old is the elderly that you take care also?
The elder, ma'am. 63, 60, 65, ma'am.
Is it female or
I
male?
don't. Senior, ma'am.
Female or male?
Ma'am.
Is it female or male?
Female, ma'am.
All right. So how many do you have companion inside the house or are you the only helper?
I am the only helper, ma'am.
Okay. So working abroad is not that so easy, right? And I would like to let you know that KSA and Malaysia is quite different. You need to expect those unexpected things because you might experience some things that you didn't experience in the Middle East. I am giving you the reality of working here in Malaysia. Houses here is very big one, and employers here is very particular when it comes to cleanliness. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yeah, I am, ma'am. I am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Not really good, ma'am, cook.
But are,
But I can cook, ma'am. I can cook.
okay, can you caregiving
Really,
for
really.
bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
This is a 2 years contract, same like what you have signed in Middle East, in or in
Yes, ma'am.
Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. But unfortunately, you cannot simply say you wanted to go back home because you cannot handle your job anymore. You miss your family, or there is any uncertain situations happen to your family back in the Philippines. No such a thing. This is a two
Yes.
years contract, and once you terminate your contract without cause, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time, the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you aware that you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours?
Yeah, an hour, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
You can hold it during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. And of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. This is a strictly no go out policy. And if you will work on your rest day, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
If you don't agree, better don't come here. We don't want to have such a problem later. You have a lot of choices. You can stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your family at the same time. In Philippines, you can be
Yes.
the boss there, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to humble ourselves, follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer
Mhm.
because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, yeah?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Normally, how do you deal with your homesickness once it strikes you?
Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
How do you deal with your homesickness?
I'm not really homesick, mas I'm good, ma'am. I have experience abroad. I know that.
I think that's all for now, Jessa. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.